Okay, can we just talk about this little machine for a minute? Because I almost didn't buy it. My house is mostly hardwood floors. I have one area rug, a couch, some dining room chairs with fabric seats, and that's pretty much it. I didn't need one of those giant carpet cleaning machines that takes up half my closet and only gets used twice a year. I just wanted something that could handle everyday life, like real life. And that's exactly why I love this Dreame N20. The first thing I want to say is yes, it actually works. I've used it on fresh spills, mystery spots on my couch, fabric dining chairs, and those stains that somehow appear out of nowhere, make you wonder what happened when you weren't looking. The combination of steam and suction is what impressed me the most. The steam loosens everything up, and then the suction pulls it right back out of the fabric. You're not just rubbing a stain around and hoping for the best. You can actually see this thing lifting the dirt out. And speaking of seeing it, wait until you empty the dirty water tank. The first time I used this on my couch, I was equal parts satisfied and slightly horrified. You think your furniture or your area rug is just slightly dirty until you see what comes out of this baby. It's one of those things that's disgusting and weirdly satisfying at the same time. Now, if you're dealing with an older stain that's been there forever, you may need a couple of passes, but I've been genuinely impressed with what this thing can pull out. It also gives you different cleaning options depending on what you're working on. There's a cold water for fresh messes. Then there's the hot water setting for grease and tougher stains, steam for deep cleaning fabric, and hard surface mode for things like tile or grout or kitchen areas. One feature I didn't think I'd care about, but I absolutely love is the self-cleaning function. That is what sold me here. You attach this little cleaning tool, press the button, and it flushes the hose out for you. That may not sound exciting, but if you've ever owned a steam cleaner, you know exactly how annoying it is putting it away dirty and then discovering it smells funky the next time you haul it out to use it. For me, easy cleanup means I'm actually going to use it. And if I'm being completely honest, my only complaint is that I wish all of these little accessories came with a storage bag. There's quite a few little attachments, and it would have been nice to have one place to keep everything all together. But honestly, not a deal breaker. Other than that, I have really no complaints. If you have a couch, fabric chairs, an area rug, a vehicle interior, pets, kids, or honestly, just normal life happening inside of your home every day, this is one of those products that makes cleaning feel a whole lot easier.